G'day everyone, Artist Wayne reporting to you all from Tunks Trail. I've just ridden through Mad Mal's Forest of Fear and I'm now heading towards the collapsed bridge where my mate Alan Wilson near lost his life. And this was going to be a mega day, an awesome ride with loads of laughs. Because following me were the superstars. On this ride we had the Dingus Mad Mal, who never stopped complaining all day. Slippery fast Selwyn, Big Geoff Mathias, and Matt, who I met for the very first time and who probably will never ride with me again. In fact, I think Matt and Mad Mal have gotten together to start the I Hate Riding with Artist Wayne fan club. Matt had one of the cleanest and neatest looking KTMs I've ever seen. And let's not forget Adrian, the pin-up boy for Amarok, Australia. And he's been busy working on a photo shoot for his summer calendar. So keep an eye out for that one, girls. Once we got through Tunks and headed up to Mewers, we were going to hit all the single trails in the Watagans State Forest as we made our way over towards the Congo, with a little detour along the way. Today's forecast was for a hot and steamy 38-degree day. So it was imperative that we made good time because the Congo is all the way over the other side of the Watagans State Forest. And the Watagans is huge. And remember when I said we were taking a little detour? Well, I was taking the boys to Hell Hill. Last week I watched my mate Funky and Darky playing on the steps of Hell Hill, so I thought some of the boys might want to give it a go. Oh, and by the way, want to know how you can tell if Mad Mal's behind you? Well, don't make a mistake, because if you do, he'll be on his f***ing horn quicker than you can say f***. But just watch how quickly the tables turn and karma bites him on the arse. We're all waiting for you, Mal. Six men and the Dingus rode up to the steps of hell, but only two had the balls to give it a go. Slippery fast Selwyn and Big Geoff Mathias had the beanbags, the stones, the Tom and Harrys, the meat clackers, the gonads, the snapper slappers to give it a go. And Big Geoff Mathias, one way or another, got to the top. But we couldn't hang around there all day playing around in the heat. We had a big ass hill to climb.
What happened? Carnage! Everyone alright?
They blame me for the traffic jam just because I had to get over that massive tree. Just like that, boys and girls, we were here. We were at the Congo. And it's also where Mal decided to dig holes like a little kid at the beach.
Now I'm in a hole. A hole that you dug. Oh my god. Matt. Yeah.
Welcome to the Congo.
Cue dramatic music. Look out, here comes Mad Mal. Cue appropriate music.
You alright? You alright? It's got a lot of padding on it, it should be alright.
So tired. Shouldn't have went on that cruise and then a week of drinking piss and MotoGP.
I got it.
Thou shalt not pass!
All that fuss and hoo-ha from Mad Mal. And look how easily big Geoff Mathias rides up. And here comes slippery fast Selwyn. And Mal's dropped his bike again. Then it was the pin-up boys' turn.
Oh! Oh man, that'll look unreal! Well done, pin-up boy! Well done! Matt will never come again.
Poor Matt was having a hard time, and then it was the Dingus's turn.
That's your bike. Go! Go for it, Dingus!
Come on, Dingus!
Go! Go! Oh, f***'s sake. Lucky you. You should take Geoff as a passenger, I reckon.
We were now halfway up Congo, but things were looking dire for some of the boys.
One last push. It's easy. I'll show you the line to take.
This was a life and death situation. Some riders had no water left, others had no fuel left. Would we all make it? Adrian, the pin-up boy, was up. Surprisingly, Mad Mel was up. Big Geoff Mathias. Slippery fast Selwyn. Yes, even Anthony the Dingus. And finally Matt, my good mate Matt. Hopefully he would still be my friend after this ride.
Well done, boys. Well done, boys.